Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You, and I would like to wish you Happy Republic Day. Now, many of you would have seen the thumbnail and then you would have clicked the video. Whatever I have mentioned on thumbnail is right, and now I am going to explain you each and everything. So we have ChatGPT Baba here, and they are going to help us. So if you have not been to Mahakumbh, don't worry. For a student like us, for teachers like us, ChatGPT is only Mahakumbh. If you want to crack any online examination, then this is where you are going to get the help. Please understand each and everything very, very carefully, friends. I am not promoting cheating in online examination, but what I would like to say, जहां सबके सब चोर हैं, where everybody is cheating in online examination, then we alone, you alone cannot do anything. You also have to participate in that. Otherwise, what will happen? These people will clear the exam and you will be जहां थे वहीं रह जाओगे. Simple thing is that, right? You will not be able to clear the examination. But frankly speaking, I do not promote it, but seeing the current situation where everybody is involved in all those things, when I was going through the Telegram, see, now Deloitte exam is going on, Tech Mahindra exam help, Deloitte exam help, Deloitte exam help group, Deloitte exam help, Deloitte exam helping group, coding exam helper, Deloitte NLA exam help, all exam help discussion group, Deloitte NLA 3.0 exam help, MISO exam help, IBM exam help. But these people have not cracked any exam. These people, see, if you are into job, you cracked TCS, you cracked any examination, IBM and all. Now you will be working in office. Will you have some time to help others? No. These are the people who are charging money from the student, and what they are doing, they are also using ChatGPT Baba, okay? And from there they are getting the answers, half of the answers. Even ChatGPT will give you wrongly. So after you get the answer, you need to verify a bit. But my question here is, friends, why are you giving money to these exam helpers? No need. You have to understand, these are the people who have not cracked any examination, just sitting, without any job, charging money from you, and once your exam is over, they will block you at all. Okay, so you do not have to. Many people will message us, sir, I have exam at 2 p.m. will you help? No, that is not right. As an institute, I do not do that, and we do not promote that. But when I see lot of people are able to crack the exam just by going, using Telegram and other things, then that's the reason I thought, okay, let's other people also. I should tell, if they want, they will do. If they don't want, they will not do. But once again, I wanted to repeat, where everybody, jahan sare ke sare chor hain, you cannot be odd from them. You also have to get involved. If you are able to solve, well and good. If you are not able to solve something, then you need to use some other ways. Okay, I know many of you will comment, sir, kis line mein aa gaye aap? See, I am just trying to help you guys. What I will get? Will I get anything? ChatGPT will, for promoting ChatGPT, I am giving you $10,000. No, nobody is going to do anything. Nobody is going to give us anything. I just wanted, this was there in my mind going from long time, why only few students should suffer? Why only the student putting effort should suffer? No. If you are putting effort, still, with the help of all those things, people are able to score more than you, and you come and say, sir, even though I was putting effort, but I was not able to clear the exam. So a few of the Deloitte question, see here I have, solved the Deloitte question you might have seen. So Deloitte NLA exact question, Deloitte NLA. Then I started using ChatGPT, just Google that ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT will tell, try ChatGPT, try me. Then one question I gave, what is the probability? Okay, this question I will take it later. First, this one. So how many 3-digit number can be formed using the integers 2, 5, 4, 7, 9? A repetition of the digit is allowed. 125. Perfect answer. See, 5 digits are there, okay, and you have to take you have to form a 3-digit number, okay. So at first place you can take any of the 5 numbers, second place you can take any of the 5 numbers, third place you can take any of the 5 numbers, because repetition of the digit is allowed. So 5 into 5 into 5, 125. This is one simple problem, okay. You might get the complicated problem as well. Answer is correct. This is what this exam helper is also going to give you, and they are charging money from that innocent people. Yeah, you should have, you know, I don't know what to say, but all this exam helper I am telling you, see, please, these students know they have not got placed. They really need a job, and now you are just cheating 500 or 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees from them. That's not right, okay. Please don't do that. Understand their problem. They are the one who cannot go home and ask money from their parents because they're helpless. See, many times people will come that other institute, I will tell you openly, some Insta and all, they are charging 10,000, 15,000. Are bhai, 10, 15,000, what are you teaching? Rocket science, huh? See, in Deloitte, what will be asked? Aptitude, reasoning, coding, some technical MCQs. We are also providing Deloitte crash course I launched in 799 rupees. You won't find anywhere. See, we give you the previous year problem, we solve it on our YouTube, each and everything we do it, right? Who does that? You tell me one channel, you tell me who does that with accuracy and the same day take the problem, solve it. No one does that. Still we keep the courses at very low prices, whereas other institutes, other YouTube channels, 10,000, 15,000 rupees they charge. But what they teach, what are you going to teach? Nothing. You cannot charge so much from the student who is already, you know, looking for a job and suffering. I will see. My idea to start online study for you was that only. We launched our maximum course for 2,500 rupees. And what we are giving and why we are charging you 2,500 rupees. If one day, if anyone says that, sir, why are you charging so much? I will take you on call and I will tell you. Every week mock interview we are conducting. One mock interview outside, they will charge you on some website, they will charge you 300 to 400 rupees. Every week we are doing mock interviews for you. We are providing you ATS based resume, they charge 200 rupees. We are doing it for free. 1 year of live classes, the day you join, 1 year of the daily live classes, we are giving. One teacher charges around 1,000 rupees per month. Per day classes we are doing, some 30,000 rupees per month is going. We are spending around 3 to 4 lakhs rupees per year only for one student. I mean the student who joins 1 year of the classes, okay. Mock test series, if you join somewhere else, you have to pay again 500 rupees. So if you'll see, no, 2,500 rupees, I know that is my minimum cost, and that is what I should take from the student. Otherwise, I will also not be able to provide you that many facilities which you want. Anyway, so always you have to understand somebody problem. Otherwise, we are not a human being, I'm telling you. Second question of average, okay. So if average sales of a car for the first 9 months of a company is 75,000 and average sales for the last 3 months is 90,000, then what is the average sales of the car for the entire year? And this answer is 78,750. Correct answer. So when you are writing the examination, you keep two laptops, one laptop in front of that, you are sitting another laptop, you just keep in front of you, use open chat GPT, type the question, you will get the answer. If 10 question, if you will type 6 to 7 question answer, you will be getting it correctly. That's what you want. These exam helpers, what they're, after taking the money also, they're doing the same thing. Don't spend your money. Okay, anyway, these are for the online exams. Offline examination, you can't do anything. If you're preparing for TCS, then everyone has to write the exam from center. That you write. There actually talent, see, talent is seen in TCS examination, where the exams are happening offline. But every company cannot do it because lot of money you have to spend in arranging the offline examination. You have to book a center, all the computers, the guard, security guard, so many things, admit card. Lot of headache TCS is taking and then doing it so that they can get a very good candidate. Okay, fine. Third question I put it here, probability. So what is the probability that the product P into Q is the perfect square? P and Q are natural numbers not greater than 0. Now this guy, you see what answer it has given. 9 by 121. Actually, the answer is 900 and 121. One more thing, friends, I will tell you. So if you will put this question again, okay, if you'll put this question again, you will be getting the different answer. I will show you. So, okay, now I will show you. If you'll put the question again here, see 9 by 21. Now I am going to put it again, and let's see, paste. Okay, and then now see, it might give you the different answer. Okay, guys, fine. Come on. Okay, so 9 by 21. So this is where ChatGPT fails, friends. I'm telling you, any machine cannot be as intelligent as a human being. Our mind, right? See, we are God gifted, yeah. We are God gifted. Nobody has created us. We are God gifted, and we all have the equal talent, equal opportunities, and we all are very much. See, again he gave the 9 by 121 only, so it had decided that I will give you the wrong answer only. Okay, so in sometimes they will be giving you different answer. So if you write try again, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. So if you'll put try, where is the space here? Try again. So our mind is very beautiful, our mind is very powerful. Okay, so see who has created this question. This question has been created by a human like us. Okay, so please utilize that mind, act according to that. And once again, at the end of this video, please don't say that online study for you is promoting cheating in online examination. No, I am not doing that. My only intention is I don't want anyone to suffer. Okay, if you are prepared well, then trust me, this ChatGPT is going to give 70%, 30% answer wrongly. So you will say, sir, you are promoting this. I am telling you, if you are prepared well, so if you will solve 10 question, okay, your accuracy will be 10. Whereas if you are using ChatGPT, then your accuracy only 6 to 7 questions will be right. And not only for aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, coding, for everything you can use it. And then second thing, friends, I am telling you, so this is where you will be ahead them. And this, the one who is doing the cheating now, what they will do in the offline examination, have you ever asked them? Forget about that. What you will do in the interviews, when technical interviews, the interviewer will ask question. When HR interview, the interviewer will ask question. What you will do that time? So there are a lot of places where these people will be behind if they are not prepared well. But don't go for these exam helpers. Okay, they are telling you the answers from ChatGPT. You bring one exam helper in front of me, I will give 5 current question of Deloitte examination, ask him to solve in 5 minutes, and then I will tell you. Any exam helper, it's my open challenge. You bring them, okay, I will give them 5 questions to solve in 5 minutes of the current Deloitte examination. If they will solve, I will leave teaching. Okay, that's my promise to all of you, because the level of the question which comes in the examination, because we teach and I'm teaching from last 12 years, we know the level of the question, the accuracy level of the people. Even when I solve the question, sometime you might have seen that I do some mistakes. We are human and we are prone to do the mistakes. There is no problem at all. So recently I was solving one question and I forget to count. See, if I am doing some mistake, I will accept it publicly. There is nothing wrong in that, because I see I'm telling you, everyone does the mistake. So if you open this video, question number 8, I said there are 2 pairs. The concept was correct, whatever I explained. So that's the reason the question is still there. Only the last part I had to remove so that a student does not get confused. So there was a question, how many such pairs are there in the word siblings? Okay, siblings, okay, in alphabetical order from front to back and back to front. I mean from left to right and right to left. So while counting, I missed this pair NS. Okay, so I had this pair GHI. So this pair I had told, this pair I had missed, and there was one more pair IJKL. IJKLMN. 3 pairs were there, and I have told in this video, I had earlier told that part I have removed, the 2 pairs are there. So in exams also we will do the mistake, because the videos which we make, friends, see, I work. After that, I do the things for you. So whole day I'll be having office, I come home, I get the question, I solve it. So definitely all those things will be happening. How exam helper can help you to get the examination. Thank you. Please try to understand what I wanted to tell you. Don't spend your 1 rupees also in all those things. And trust me, use ChatGPT, use your knowledge. You will be easily able to crack any examination. Thank you.